Hello everyone, this is Yamin, and in this tutorial I am going to show you how you can center an image in HTML. So let's go back to our code editor, and here you can see our simple HTML structure. And here first of all what we are going to do is that we have an image over here. This image we are going to have that image in the body. So first of all let's mention the image tag, and in the source let's give the image name, which is image.jpg. So right now if we save it, then if we now open it in the browser, there you can see we have our image like this. So let's go and write the style for the image, and let's make the image in the center. So we are going to mention a class over here. The class name will be, let's say, center underscore img. Right now let's go to the head section, and here we are going to say style. Then in the style we are going to say dot center underscore img. So here we need to give dot center underscore img because for class we need to give a dot. And here first of all let's mention the image width. Let's say the image width will be 30%. So right now if we save, then if we now refresh, there you can see our images look like this. So let's make it in the center. So for it let's go back, and here we are going to say display, and we need to say over here block. Then we need to say over here margin, it will be auto. If we now save, then if we now refresh here, there you can see our images in the center. So right now if we want it a little bit below, then for it what you can do is that you can just say over here margin top, then we can say over here 10%. Save it, then refresh here, and there you can see our images in the center. You can move the image in different position by using margin top, margin left, right, and bottom. Okay, so this is how we can make the image center using only HTML and CSS. I hope this tutorial was useful to you. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope to see you in the future tutorials.